Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel all over here. Now today the video which I am going to make is related to DIRILIS Ertugrul fans, DIRILIS Ertugrul, the Turkish TV serial which is watched by millions of people across the world. And over here I would be discussing how to download the videos of DIRILIS Ertugrul easily so that you can watch it whenever you want and wherever you want and in whichever play you want to run. Now generally the DIRILIS Ertugrul videos come on TRT TV online, which you can watch of course, but that's in totally Turkish channel, Turkish language. So if you want to feel the essence of this and you're not knowing the Turkish language, for that you can do it through watching the English subtitle videos, which are also available online. But a major drawback over there, like generally we used one such website across the world, for that is wlex.net, as most of you must be using, whoever is a DIRILIS Ertugrul fan across the world. And if you don't know Turkish, then definitely this is a site which you must be aware of, because this contains all the DIRILIS Ertugrul videos in English subtitle channel. So over here I'll be discussing how to download the DIRILIS Ertugrul fans through wlex.net. Now generally what happens over here is wlex.net, when you open it, and there is you just search DIRILIS Ertugrul over here, and when you search DIRILIS Ertugrul, you can select which season you want to look for, and once you search it, you can select the season as whichever season you must be currently on to. It might be season 2, season 3, season 4, season 5, and the most active ones are of course on season 5, just like me. And you can just open DIRILIS Ertugrul season 5 over here. Now here is something, the wlex.net home channel. So when you reach over here there are a list. This is something which you don't like at all. Every time you want to watch DIRILIS Ertugrul, if you want to feel connected with this DIRILIS Ertugrul, then for that you definitely don't like this. So what I'm going to tell you in the next 1 or 2 minutes is how to download these videos, so that you don't need to every time open your internet and go through this whole process, and you can just download it and save it in your laptops for which you can watch later whenever you want. So what is the conventional thing is that first of all you need to select a server. This is server stream SD by default. You will definitely not use this, because this is something which is out of your context because you'd never get any videos from here. You can use any other server, OpenLoad, OKCADita. What my favorite is the StreamMango, which I use. So once you have selected the server as StreamMango, then you can select the episode. Suppose I want to watch episode number 3. I hope you are interested further, so please continue, and for further videos related to this and related to all-in-one, as the channel name suggests, you can please subscribe our channel, and that would be a request also. So what is generally happening is, once you play this, what are the general difficulties which you face is, either there is a pop-up coming from this, and then if you want to forward some scenes, you cannot forward from here easily. It gets loaded and reloaded every time. This is something which you would never like. It just annoys. So what you can see in my system, when I just played this, a link came over here, download this video. Now how to bring this link, first of all I'll tell you about that. So this is possible through an application, that is IDM integration module, which you can find over here in my system. This is actually a Chrome extension which I have installed. If you don't have this on your system, you need to just add a new tab, and the Google you can search easily Internet Download Manager. This is a very multi-purpose tool and which you can use very easily. I'm sorry, I think this just started. I know you must be getting interested with this sound, but please hold on your nerves for some time. So you can search for Internet Download Manager and install it. That's totally free. You can install this in your system and then add it to your Google extensions. So when you add it to your Google extensions, and suppose I refresh this page just to show you how this link appears. So this link is not appearing right now. So as after you have selected your episode and the right server, when you play this video, then you can see after just initial loading, this link comes. You just need to click this link, download this video. Over here you can select your path where you want to save this video. For I have saved download this video, and then you can just start download. So this will be downloaded depending on your internet speed, and you can enjoy a video wherever you want and whenever you want, as I say. So there is another way also to download this, which I'll be discussing in the next video. I hope you'll like this video, and please subscribe our channel for that, and please like, share also our video. And if you want any further help, you can please contact me in the comment section, or you can personally mail me for that. And DIRILIS Ertugrul is support to DIRILIS Ertugrul is to